Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about the platforms where you can learn social media essentials. Let's begin. In this video I'm not going to talk about advantages of embracing social media into your life, but I just would like to mention once again that social media can give you so many advantages. Let's assume you have a small business, like or own a shop, online shop, or whatever it can be. Utilizing social media can help you so much by generating leads, generate income, and grow your conversions, grow your brand awareness, and so on. If you're an expert in a specific field, social media can help you as well. So you can utilize different social media platforms in order to reach your target audience and promote your services with the help of social media. I want to teach you and I want to tell you how I learned social media and which platforms help me to be on track and to be updated all the time with all the new strategies and new platform about social media, paid advertisement, and much more. So I work as a social media manager for small and medium enterprises. I have learned basic about social media at my master degree, and that back then I get so inspired by the world of social media, so I decided to switch from digital marketing more on social media marketing, and that's how I became social media manager. And I honestly, I don't see a clue to study at the university for this specific job for becoming a social media manager or whatsoever, or manage social media for your own purposes, because honestly, when I was studying 2 years ago, now all these techniques don't really work and they are not really relevant. So you have to, in order to be on track, because social media, it just updates so fast, you will have to study probably every half of a year at the university and enroll in new programs. So I use different platforms that help me to be on track and to learn essential skills and knowledge about social media. So let's begin with the platform number one. And number one platform is a Skillshare. This platform is embracing a lot of really talented people, and you can find so many different online courses on this platform. The subscription is really worth its money and it's not a lot. I will link all the platforms in the description of this video, so you can really explore these platforms on your own. Using Skillshare helped me a lot in learning, I call it soft skills or more creative skills. So in social media, it's so important. It's all about the visual content, of course, as well as written content, but visual content comes on the first place. Utilizing Skillshare helped me a lot to learn photography skills. It doesn't have to be a professional camera, however, you can learn also about professional photography using this platform. But also when it comes to phone photography, you can do so many different things with your phone you don't even imagine. And this platform helped me a lot to learn about the photography skills, as well as the composition, how you can do flat lays, and so on. I use this platform as well to learn editing skills, which is so important when you edit pictures for a specific social media platform, as well as videography editing, montage videos, and so on, because videos perform much better on social media rather than picture. Well, it depends, of course, on the social media platform. Really go ahead and explore Skillshare and find teachers and courses that you really like, read the reviews, watch the first video, an introduction video of the course, in order to understand if you like the teacher, the way he presents the information. And really, if you are missing one of the skills, photography, videography skills, editing, how to handle images on your phone, really use Skillshare to learn all these skills. Platform number two is Udemy. I have no idea how to pronounce it correctly. If you know, please let me know in the comments, because I all the time get confused with its pronunciation. This platform helped me a lot. It's more sophisticated knowledge-based platform rather than Skillshare, and this platform I used to learn more like analytical skills. It really helped me to learn about Facebook Pixel because I got a little bit confused by reading just articles, and it helped me to do a tutorial step by step using Facebook Pixel, which helps you a lot if you manage online store and you invest money into social media advertisement. So really there are so many different tutorials, and you have to pay only for the tutorial that you picked, which is also good. And the first video is all the time for free, so you can know the teacher a little bit, you can understand the process and the content of the course itself. So go ahead and explore it from as well. The link will be in the description for this platform. And I use this platform also to learn analytics, which is the skill after videography and photography number 2, or even the first skill that you have to be able to understand how your social media platforms performing with the help of analytics, of course. And it helped me to not be scared of numbers, to understand the performance of a paid ad if I use any paid ads. There are really so many talented coaches on this platform, and there are courses that are actually for free, and one of the courses that I really recommended to learn to study is social media. It's called social media something blah blah, and it's by HubSpot Academy. Actually, those guys are really amazing by teaching social media. Platform number 3, this is Coursera. This is more sophisticated platform for more sophisticated education, because this education is provided by not just an expert but by universities. I recently accomplished a course in personal branding provided by University of Illinois. It yet requires more time, and you have to accomplish your assignments as well, and in the end you will be provided with a certificate if everything is done correctly and you finish the whole course, which give you a lot of credibility that you can put on your LinkedIn or whatsoever on your website. So this platform is very convenient, so you can download an app on your phone, you can watch it while you're traveling somewhere, and there's so many different courses. However, I didn't find yet a really good course about social media itself, but courses in digital marketing or as a course in personal branding is really useful, because social media is also a lot about personal branding as well as the company branding. So go ahead and check this platform, and this platform more or less the same as Udemy in terms of payment, so you just basically pay for a specific course and that's it. Go ahead and check this platform. Maybe you will find a course that is really interesting for you and can enlarge your knowledge about social media. These are 3 platforms that I mainly use and I pay for, and it's really worth its money to learn about social media essential. But however, there are also free resources, and there are tons of free resources on internet, on YouTube. Of course, watch a lot of videos on YouTube. Just find a person who is really passionate about social media or specialized in a specific social media platform. Turn on their notifications, and once they publish a video, you will see it first, and you will be all the time updated about new techniques, new strategies, and so on. The other platform I use to learn about social media is listening to podcasts. It's very convenient. While I do some exercises in the gym, or I travel somewhere, it's really convenient just to listen. It's like a music, but you just listen to podcasts instead of music. And I really like podcasts by Buffer. Buffer is a social media management platform, but those guys are really amazing with social media, and they experiment a lot with social media, and they tell about their experiments on their podcast channel. So check them out as well. They're really talented people behind those podcasts. I like to read as well Medium, that's online kind of a magazine, and I follow different talented people. I just don't want to mention people that I follow, because I just want you to pick your own person that is specialized in social media and that is appealing to you. So I like to read Medium as well. I get notification when one of the authors that I follow publish an article on a specific theme. I get a notification and I read it from beginning until the end, because this magazine is really cool in order to learn new things, new updates about social media, and there are really a lot of talented experts on Medium writing articles. And this platform is for free, so go ahead and download it and read and explore it and find your expert who will teach you a lot of new things about social media. And the last thing, I just want to remind you that social media is not just about theory, of course, but it's also a lot about experimenting and learning by yourself. So once you start utilizing social media, its features, paid advertisement on different social media channels, you will start to understand how it's working actually in real life. And it's all about really testing and experimenting a lot and work a lot on social media, because the course that's embracing all features and all platforms, all techniques in social media, it just doesn't exist yet, because there are really a lot of things that you must know about social media, and it's really important to learn step by step. And of course, when you start learning, start already putting your knowledge into practice. That's how you will learn much more. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section and hit the like button if you like the video.